What's up? On my way to go pay a bill and just go right around to some random ass places. I don't feel like being home today. It's a little cloudy today, but it's gonna be clear. And it shows that we're supposed to have rain next 2 or 3 days, which is bullshit. But you gotta deal with rain sometimes, hey. God is still speaking with the rainbow flag. I wonder what that means. So I found the source of my coolant disappearing. My coolant reservoir right next to me right there has a little crack in the side of it. And it's dripping. Basically, I either gotta get a new one of those or patch it up for the time being. But hey, it's better than something worse. I love this place. You can pay all your bills here. The Green Shack. Fuck yeah. I love how people just open up the sides of their car door and then just throw all their shit on the ground. Now we're heading into Ghetto, the downtown area, the more shitty, slummier area of the city. This area is like the courthouse, and that building right there is where the probation is, the Department of Corrections and Rehabilitation. So there's the old Ghetto courthouse. I think it was built in like 1925 or something like that. And I heard it's one of the most congested courthouses in America. That's why they're building this right next to it. It's gonna be the new courthouse. That way it's not from the 20s anymore. Driving school right there. The hills look majestic with all that cool looking lighting in the shining down on them. It's like the clouds are making a filter for the lighting. Time to go bowling. Ooh, seagulls. Yeah. Come on, seagulls. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them. They're looking, they're like, what this motherfucker about to do? Oh, fuck. I think that one just shit on me. Oh, but I just saw a fat pile of shit just fall right in front of my face. Oh, sick. It looks like the seagulls have returned. Time to pay them a little visit. Fucking seagulls. I'm gonna go fast this time right through them. I'm gonna try to just like ring out the throttle right through them. whole time. Time to make a super fat bitch. Bitch. Yeah, fuck yeah. Smells like fucking Play-Doh. What a random smell. Ask Sherman Williams. One time we had a concert out here called the British Invasion, and it was a bunch of British punk bands, like the biggest ones there are. And they played at this horn show right here, and people were coming from all over the fucking place to check that shit out. Well, some riot ended up happening, and all this downtown area was trashed. They looted all the stores, busted all the windows in the front of all these businesses, and all that. It was some crazy shit. I was tripping when that happened. Yeah. I'm gonna I feel like going to a lake. Go to a lake. This ain't just any ordinary lake. It's a dumping ground for dead bodies. They drain this thing once a year. And rumor has it that they always find at least one dead body in here all the time. Nice little CVR. Here's where that lake's at. Succumby Lake. We still have a gander, shall we? This is the good old Succumby Lake. I'm gonna try to creep up. I want to pet one. Look at his eye. Look at he's eyeballing the fuck out of me. Let's see what's up with these guys. What's up, guys? Nice backpack.
Oh, thanks, bro. How's that?
The geese attacking you guys yet?
Huh?
Yeah. Last time I came here to feed them, they just fucking swarm you.
Yeah, well, they do, man. I mean, we fed them some bread. They all come over, man. It's just saw the other day, man. They all came from over there, a swarm of them. Like the whole damn battalion is. See how many is over there?
Hell yeah.
We started feeding them. I mean, the whole flock.
That one looks cool. He's white and green.
So many ducks in my life. They're up shit like this.
They're docile, man. Like, if you feed them, they'll take it out of you. Some will take it gently, like a dog.
Yeah, we just fed some gooses like that.
They already know what's up.
Oh, that duck is ugly as fuck. Come here, guy. I'm just trying to see what's up, man. You don't gotta be scared. You don't gotta be scared, man. He just took a fat shit. I scared the shit out of him, literally. And I used to live in some apartments not even far from here. I'll go ahead and show you those. They were super ghetto when I lived in them. And now my buddy told me that they sell a shitload of crack and coke out of them now. And because my friend lives right behind those in a house though. And he said there's been a dude that got shot and killed right in there too. Right behind his backyard. So I'm glad I don't live there no more. I don't know why they chose this spot to put a brand new elementary school at all. just that house right there when I lived in these apartments. It was raided by the SWAT team. And I was standing outside my door and just watching them. These two cars just swarm up and I heard the tire screeches like, "Arr!" And I'm like, what the hell? And it was this house right there, this pink one. And they went up those stairs, busted the door in, and fucking breached that shit. And this is where I grew up. Oh, grew up most of my younger life in these apartments. I don't think he knows it's me.
Oh man, how you been?
How you been, bro?
Good, man.
Hey, can't believe I ran into you here.
Yeah, man. I was about to leave.
I'm Derek. Nice to meet you. Your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Where's Danny and David? Are they in there?
David lives at his house and Christian is there right now. Yeah, man.
Are they get more ghetto or less ghetto since I lived here?
No, I got more.
Way more ghetto?
Way more. Yeah.
I remember when I lived here, there was no
Bleep.
fuck. Man, I got all sorts of nostalgia coming in here. This was our little playground right here. We used to play here and out in the street and all that good shit. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate your amazing customer service right now. So if you're watching this video, thank you. Hey guys, it's always a pleasure having you guys stop by. Thank you for watching today's video. If you can, be so kindly, please hit the out of that like button and enjoy the rest of your guys' day. See you later, guys.